Irma Salsabila. Here us will explain the material about hereditary exposure. Hereditary exposure text. Hereditary exposure in a degree of English text the building belongs to the else or argumentation. Hereditary expansion are a genre of English text which presents the author's template of influencing the reader to do something of art in a particular case. Hereditary expansion, the author lists some opinion or character text to reinforce the main idea of the text. Difference with analytical opinions, hereditary expansions present the concluding paragraph on the recommendation as a hereditary expansion. In this recommendation, the author states rule in facts and procedure the reader to do something. It is far different for analytical expansions with pleasure reiteration of reiterating the main idea of a text as the cover with arts and impression or persuasion to the reader. The purpose of hereditary expansion differs with analytical expansion, which describe the purpose and efforts the reader takes in the event that is simple in response to tell. In hereditary text expansion, general purpose is to describe and influence the reader that shall and shall not be. Genre structure of hereditary expansion. There are the parts of the structure of pattern of sense in hereditary expansion text. There are number 1. Thesis. Thesis contains the principal author of the inclusion of the idea of a phenomenon of event that will be result of discussions. Number 2. Arguments. Arguments contain the opinion of the author that support the main idea. The more opinion the author writes, the more active a hereditary expansion is, because reads that to believe in a even if the main opinion the support in it. Number 3. Recommendation. Recommendation consists a recommendation of solicitation author to the reader. Chemistries of hereditary expansion text. Below in a picture of the liquid continued in hereditary expansion text. There are number 1. Simple present tense. 2. Continue using temporal phrasely continuously. 3. Use affluent word imperatively trustworthy. 4. Absurd nouns for expense policy and government. 5. Tertiary verbs for expense special of animals. 6. Ready verbs for expense school be, does, not scheme, to have been. 7. Action verbs for experience we must have. 8. Thinking verbs for example I believe. Where should be after high school? The national international result will be public announced in next Thursday. Aporia will afford for those who get success. In the other hand, it will be sorry to have the take that there are some of them do not succeed in their national final examination. For the war, school's son will think to this. Where will they be after graduating high school? Actually, it will be easy to this for that has been argued and talked earlier, but for those who have not planned yet, it will be quickly confusing. Continuing study or looking for work is the primary choice among them. When the thing about continuing students, they will think hard about the time and cost. How long the hacker study will last, and how he is seeking job. With skill and combination they have think about seeking job. With skill combination they have got is a big matter of questioning. So doing both coaching in the same time is an element. Continuing students as will a seeking job is possibly done, but it will be hand from them. Conveniently studying in the university needs much time to speed, especially in the first years. It is true because they have to do and adapt a lot of things at the new higher school. It will be very hard to looking for job. Therefore, it should come to terms of connecting study at higher school from the out home. As a result, the available time will be more flexible for them. That I will be fair possible to seek job and get the approval one. That type of studying in public now and descriptive learning. As the alternate method of studying because besides the conference studying, week studying, and the last current have to meet in the fixed time and play regularly, this trains learning profiles possible to grow better. Possibly working and studying will create high quality courses. Descriptive learning should appear as a considerable choice of for team. Thank you.